Okay, I am on the top of a cargo trailer and we are putting in a Key West system. We got six 440 watt Aptos solar bifacial solar panels, and they'll be going on the roof here. Can you see the bars are all in place? We're securing it on the other side. Got the cables and tensioners in place over here. And nice fat gap on this rig. This is going to be great. That's really helpful when you're trying to optimize for sunshine. It helps to reduce shading and lets you really get that going. But this is going to be a beautiful setup for this gentleman, this family. So anyway, we're just getting these positioned out right, and we'll get these secured. So yeah, fun time. Okay, we're finishing up these panels here. We got Braden down here putting the last angle support bracket in. We got 1 panel, 2 panel, 3 panel, 4 panel, 5 panels, 6 panels. Still need to add the solar panel support brackets across the top and bottom on all of them, but this is the lion's share of the work today, is just getting these panels up and making sure that they're secured. So pretty awesome. We have a nice healthy gap between the panels for if we optimize, there's less shading, and it's working out. Look at that. But check that out. That's, I mean, you don't get better access to your roof with solar than with one of our systems. So kind of crazy. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, there you have it. This is a Key West. It's a 6-panel system. We got 6 440 watt bifacials. This is all very comfortable walking space in the safety of your roof, which really helps you be able to traverse the full length of your roof without having issues. So I'm really loving how this is turning out. Another probably half day of labor to get this all fine-tuned, but it should be good.